Welcome everyone, I'd like to show you how to change your username inside of Snapchat. So I'll cover the display name and then the regular username. Let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the Snapchat application. You should be brought to this page. Then you just want to tap on the top left here. It'll bring you to your name. You want to go to settings. Now I have some personal information, so I'm just going to do that off screen. And you're going to see here, to change your regular display name, you're going to see name. You just want to tap on the name. And then you'll be brought to this page. It will show display name, and you can change this right here. So let's say I want to do Alpha Saunders 2, just like that. You just tap on the save, and you'll be good to go. Now, when it comes to the username, officially, you cannot change the username. You'll see here that username, if you tap on it, it only lets you share it on the right-hand side. It doesn't let you change. So we're going to have to do a workaround. So I'm just going to scroll off so my phone number isn't on show. And you have two options. The first one is the easiest one to do. You just want to log out right here and then create a new account. Now, that isn't, the best way. I'm just saying it. Let's say you have no friends and you just want to quickly, change your username. That's the best way to do it. You would also want to deactivate your existing account if you'd like. That is optional. However, the next way is you see right here, support. I need help. So if you contact Snapchat, they'll actually help you change your display name. So we'll just give it a little bit to load up here. And what you want to do is you essentially want to say that your account is hacked. So we're just going to tap on account is hacked. And all we're going to do here is you have all these options. We'll just choose the top one. I think my account's been hacked. And what information should we know? Email address, phone number, you just want to add those in. Same with username. And you just want to say, your account was just hacked and you just want to have your username changed so the attacker can't get in. Even if that's not true, I recommend, just to be safe, that you sign into your Snapchat account using VPN, free VPN if you really need to, or someone else's hotspot or another Wi-Fi network, because Snapchat will check this. And you just want to say your current username and then the username you would like to change it to, right? So just type in here, I believe my account has been hacked. I've seen, an unauthorized sign-in at, and then the time. So that you definitely want to use that VPN. And then you'd like to say, I want to change my username from this to this so that the hacker can't get in. And once you've done that, you'll be good to go. This will take a couple of weeks, if not a couple of months, because Snapchat are very slow. Their support isn't great, but by the end, you should have your username successfully changed, even though you don't have the option inside of settings. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.